Hey guys, okay, so I want to show you guys two-step equations again, only because I feel like on Nearpod I saw you guys making very silly mistakes. I know we did this last year, but it's been a while, so let's go over it just one more time. So I know this looks a little overwhelming, but I want you to remember that two-step equation is one step away from being a one-step equation. So you guys are used to seeing stuff like this: 2x is equal to 6. You guys know how to solve this because you're like, oh, okay, I just got to divide by 2 and I'm done. You get x is equal to 3. That's a one-step equation. Two steps is just having one number blocking your way. So since you know that a one-step equation is always a number next to your variable and an equal sign and another number, just know that two steps just has a constant in your way. So your first step to make your two-step equation into a one-step equation is to get rid of that constant, okay? If you're not getting rid of a constant by adding and subtracting, you're doing something wrong. It needs to be a number by itself as your first step. A lot of you guys yesterday were subtracting 2x on both sides. That is wrong. It has an x next to it. You got to leave that for last, okay? You got to solve for the number by itself first. So again, I'm going to take a minus 5 because it's the opposite of plus 5, and you're doing it on these two sides. I did not touch my x. That's good advice too. Okay, so 2x is equal to 13 minus 5 is going to give you 7. Ooh, no, I'm so dumb. Sorry. It's going to give you 8. All right. Now this format, 2x is equal to 8. You guys know what to do from here. This is a one-step equation now. Okay. From here, you know that you just divide by 2, and you got x is equal to 4. Okay. That's how you do it. I'll give you one more example, but this time it's an x divided by 5 here. I'm going to rewrite it so that way it looks cuter. You guys are used to it looking like this. Okay, if you need to rewrite it so it's easier for you to see it. For me, I can't see it like this. As smart as I am, it doesn't make sense. I have to rewrite it like this. All right, again, a lot of you guys were subtracting 5 on both sides. For what reason? I don't know. There's an x next to it. You don't touch it. All right? There's a plus 9 here. You want to get rid of that plus 9. It's like that extra person you just don't want near you. Goodbye. Go away. Minus 9, minus 9. And I did minus 9 because it's a plus. If this was a minus, I would have to add. Okay? You're always doing opposite signs. You're left with x divided by 5, because when it's a fraction, it's over 5, is equal to 2. At this point, now this is a one-step equation. You know how to do this. If it's an x divided by 5, to get rid of a divided by 5, you are multiplying 5 onto both sides. Okay? X is equal to 2 times 5 is a basic thing, 10. That is how you solve this. Okay? If you still need help, please let me know. We will do tutoring together at 2 o'clock. Okay? I do not mind. I'd rather you guys come to me saying, I don't understand, Sayed. I forgot everything, blah, 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 and I'll help you. Okay? Now is an activity that I'm going to give you guys. So you guys are going to get this separately on your Google assignment. I want you to submit it. This is a drag and drop, so you might need paper on the side. If you find a way to like type it in really small, go for it, but that's a lot of work that you don't need. I would suggest doing it on a separate sheet of paper so that way you can double check your work. If you want to send that to me for extra credit, go for it. You guys can take a picture of your work, send it to me. That way I can see where you went wrong. You get more points for that. But other than that, your start button is right here. Your finish button is right here. Finish button, I mean shape. All right, so you see how this over here says start? Automatically, you can drag that over your start sign, and your end is right here. Automatically drag that over your finish. You already got 2 done. Okay, so you're starting with this equation right here. 2x plus 5 is equal to 13. You need to solve it. Okay, I just did it with you right here. So x is equal to 4 is my answer. I need to look all around here to find which one says x is equal to 4. Conveniently, it was right next to it. Okay, x is equal to 4 is right here. That goes right underneath my start. don't know why it's bigger than the rest, but it's going to bother me a little bit. I'm going to readjust it. If you need to do that too, if you're like me, go for it. If you're not like me, you'll leave it like that, okay? X is equal to 4. Now you're going to solve x over 5 plus 9 is equal to 11. Did I do that? Conveniently, I also did that for you. X is equal to 10, okay? After you solve it, you're going to go back, look for where x is equal to 10. It's this pink one right here. You're going to drag this. Oh, no. There you go. Drag it over here. And then you're going to keep on going. Then you're going to do this 1x. Figure out what answer it is all the way until you reach the end. Okay? I hope that makes sense to you guys. Please let me know if you have any questions. You guys can always type it in the Google comments. And make sure you turn it in when you are done. Okay? All right. Bye, guys.